Hello and welcome to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, Justin Kozak, Technical Sales Specialist with Lakeside Process Controls. And in today's video, we're discussing Rosemount's 5408 non-contacting radar level transmitter. Specifically, we're looking at solids level applications. Now the great thing about this transmitter is we can utilize the exact same transmitter in both liquids and solids level measurements. The only difference is an internal configuration, which really affects the algorithm that we're using in the application. So what's different about solids level applications and why is it considered challenging? Well, when you take a look at a typical layout of a bin, the first obvious difference is how the product distributes itself throughout that vessel. It's no longer a nice flat, even surface. So the microwave signals that reflect off of that surface are going to come back at all sorts of different angles. And what you can have is not all of the reflected signal coming back to that transmitter, which ultimately reduces your signal to noise ratio. The other component is that solids have low dielectric constants, which also impacts that signal to noise ratio. So when you combine those two pieces, it makes this measurement difficult. Now, difficult, but not impossible. And we have a solution for that. It's called Rosemount's parabolic antenna. And we talked about this in a previous video, but the idea is that you have an increased surface area and this antenna acts like a catcher's mitt or a satellite dish. So all those signals are reflecting at different angles, it has a higher likelihood of being able to catch and receive those. Now, the trade-off with this is greater surface area can lead to greater buildup. So you can imagine with solids level applications, if you have dust or particulate and any sort of moisture, it's going to stick to that antenna. So we can utilize our signal quality metric to analyze the quality of the signal and let us know when we need to clean off that antenna. The great thing about this antenna is that it comes integral with an air purge built right in, so you can continuously or intermittently purge the unit with air to make sure it's clean, providing a reliable level measurement. And that's how we utilize Rosemount's 5408 non-contacting radar level transmitters in solids level applications. If you have any questions about this transmitter or any other of our products, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks for joining.